In this lecture, we will know about some of the node edit options in Hypermesh. We can find this node edit, go to this geometry and you can see node edit. Also, I press escape from here. Also, you can press the F7 key from your keyboard. Press F7 and you will see the similar options. Now to understand all these options, let's open up a file. Go to the folder of node edit and select the file node edit and click open. Now inside this file we can see we have created a mesh. Now we are going to use this option. So press F7 from your keyboard or you can go to this node edit. The first option it is showing associate. So basically with this option we can associate a node to any surface. So let's say I have any surface. So I zoom in here and go to this component, turn off this mesh and then go to this shaded geometry. We can see we have surface here. So turn on this mesh. I can select any node, associate it to any surface and then click associate. So basically if any node is moving away from any surface, with this option we can project it to the surface. After that we will learn about move node. So here sometimes we need to move any node. Now to move any node, what I can do is here first of all we need to select the node. So let's say here we can see the flow onto this node is not good. So what I can do is I can pick this node and I can translate it to the rightward direction. Now here we need to specify the step size and then we need to specify the direction. So if I click on this arrow, we can select x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. We can specify a vector, then screen normal, screen parallel. So generally I prefer this N1, N2, N3 options. So with this option we just need to specify a vector using N1 and N2. So let's say I want to specify with respect to this direction. So what I do, I select this first node and then select the second node. Now this is the direction vector. Click on this move plus plus. Click on this move plus. Now we can see the node is moving. We can increase the step size. Let's say this is 0.5. Press enter. And here we can see we can move the node. And if I select this move negative, it will move in the reverse direction. After that, we will learn about the place node. So this is again a very useful option. Go to this place node. I zoom out. So with this option, we can also place a node onto any surface. So once again, let's go here. I want to place this node here. So with this option, we can manually place the node. So first of all, we need to select the surface. So let's say this is the destination surface. So let's say I go to this topo. Now select this surface. Now we can see the surface is selected and then select the node. Click on this node. Zoom in here. Click where we want to place it. So let's say I click here. Now we can place the node. Similarly, onto this surface we can project multiple nodes. Click on this node and then select the destination location. And here once again. So this is again a very fast way of aligning the nodes. So once again we can align them like this. So we just have to make sure we select the proper destination surface. So once again, let's say I want to place the nodes here. So what I do is I go to this node here. So first of all, we need to select the surface. I select this surface and then node to place. Click on this node and select destination location like this. So this is how we use this option. After that we will learn about this remap option. So with this remap option we can equally place all the nodes. So right now here we can see onto this edge the nodes are not equally placed. It means the gap between them is not equal. So here I rotate this. Now select all these nodes. So select these nodes one by one like this and then select this line. So select this edge and click remap. Now we need to select the nodes. So select this node, click on this node and click on this path. Now select this node and now we can select the path like this and like this. Click on the line. So select this line and then click on Remap. And now we can see all the nodes are equally placed. And the last option is align nodes. So I go to this surface. Now with this align nodes, we can align between two existing nodes. Now let's understand this. Here we can see between these two nodes, we can see some zigzag nodes. Now what I do, I select this first node and then select the second node. Now select the second node here, and in the third node I will select all these inside nodes and click on align. Now all the nodes are aligned with respect to the first and second node. So that is the use of this option. So this is very useful option. Similarly, let's say once again I click on this reset. So when we want to reset them, click on this arrow. So reset. So let's say I select this first node and here I will select the second node. Select all the nodes inside. So I can select one node or multiple nodes. Click on align. So now we can see all the nodes are aligned. Similarly, we can do this here. I go to this reset, first node, this node, and then all the inside nodes, and then align. Click return. So in this way we can use some of the node edit options.